What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know me, my name is Shane, and this is The Shane Show. Alright guys, so I'm getting ready to take the Cobalt out right now. It needs some TLC big time. It's been my daily driver. I need to fix the brakes on it. I also need to, if you haven't seen my video of everything wrong with my Cobalt SS, go do that. You'll understand what I'm going to do to this. But basically this is going to be down for a while. I'm going to be using this as my daily for a couple of weeks probably. We need to definitely start taking care of this car. So let's go ahead over to the shop. Alright, so a couple of things we'll be doing. We're going to replace the Corvette brakes on here. So yes, this car does have Corvette brakes from Baer. They were one-off. We'll do that. I want to just check everything out too. It does need new tires, alignment, exhaust leak fix. It just needs a ton of TLC, so it's time to buckle down and do it. Alright, so you guys can see that's what it looks like with the wheel off. 13.5-inch rotors, 4-piston, right, Baer brakes. And then that's how it's connected on the back over here. So you just remove those two bolts and then it comes right off. And again, we're just about to the indicators on these pads. So for these to last 10 years, that's crazy. I've never heard of that in my life. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got the caliper off. This is the Baer brake caliper. It's a 4-piston. Here's the rotor, nice and big, cross drilled, slotted. And then here's the pads, right? 10 years, have not had to replace these pads. It looks like it's made out of, like, I don't know, carbon ceramic or something. I don't really know for sure, but we're going to take these to Baer. It's got a part number on the back, as you can see right there. And we'll get these pads replaced. And again, shout out to Baer. This is daily driven car, tracked it, raced it, all that stuff, and to last 10 years without having to replace anything or get the rotors turned or anything is pretty awesome. Alright everyone, so we got the brakes fully on. You can see what they look like with the wheel on. Looking pretty good in there. Got the BBS is on here, and I don't really have any fitment issues as far as like clearance. You know, I can fit pretty much my whole hand in there, so if you're curious about the wheel fitting in with the, you know, up against the caliper, but you know, as you can see, it's a pretty clean setup. Again, it's the only Cobalt that I know of in the world that has Corvette brakes on it, straight from Baer. All stainless steel brake lines and everything. And then on the back, we just have the OEM caliper with upgraded rotor. So we got some ceramic pads on the back there, but it's absolutely crazy to get, like I said, I had these pads on there for almost 10 years, so I think I just turned over 90,000 miles in the car, so that makes it, I say like 70,000 miles at a set of these pads that I had from Baer on the front of this car, which is absolutely crazy because I tracked it and all that stuff, and you know, daily drove the car for a real long time, so to be able to get almost 70,000 miles out of a pair of pads is absolutely crazy. Now these are C5 Corvette brakes that they just modified to fit onto the Cobalt. So, you know, with the car being super light, I'm sure that had a lot to do with being able to get 70,000, you know. So, but I did replace the rear brake pads like 3 times during that span that I replaced the, before I replaced the fronts. So the pressure might be, you know, a little different, might be more towards the back than in the front, but zero issues stopping wise. This thing stops really, really quick. You know, like I said, it's pretty lightweight. So I actually haven't posted a video in a really long time. There's a lot of updates to give you guys. And one of those is I did end up getting some new tires on the Cobalt. I just got some Nittos. So we got those on there. And then I did fix the alignment issue and then got the new pads and all that stuff on there. currently, and I'll be posting a video soon about it, the R33 has the engine torn apart right now. Got low compression in cylinder 5 and 6, so took it apart. And so took the head off, looked at it, didn't really see anything wrong, took the pistons out. Right now everything's at a machine shop, but more to come with that. I'll show you guys as I take everything apart and put it back together with the 33, more to come with that. And also, big time garage update that you guys probably see is there's no GTR. So yeah, I ended up selling my GTR. It was about 2-3 weeks ago. It was about 3 weeks ago. It was a sad day, but you know, things happen. And so I had to let it go. So I'm hoping to get another one in a year or two, but still got the 33, still got the Cobalt. I also haven't posted a video for about 3 months. There's just been a lot going on. Do some more videos with the Cobalt, and again, the 33, the engine's apart right now, and we'll be putting that back together, hoping for 500 wheel. There's another video, you know, down below. Also, just check out the 33, check out the other video with the Cobalt. But wanted to give you guys an update. Like I said, I hadn't posted anything for about 3 months, but yeah, more to come with this. A lot more car stuff. Summer's coming here in Phoenix, so even though it's a little hot, I usually do a lot of car stuff in the summer, and then again, we'll just keep working on this. What's next for this is get the exhaust fixed on it. Still has an exhaust leak, but I did fix alignment, got the new tires and the brakes fixed. And then I want to get some aero and stuff for it as well, and make it look a lot cleaner. So that's pretty much an update for you guys. That's all I have for right now. Look forward to seeing you guys next video. Just like that, Shane Shows out. Peace.